Samsung's experiment phone is coming very soon. What's up guys, it's time to talk about the latest Samsung news. The stage is all set for the Galaxy A lineup. We have seen the A32, A52, A72, and now it's time for Galaxy A82 5G. We've talked about this already in previous videos, but this phone not only is a successor to the original Galaxy A80, but it's also a spiritual successor to the first quantum phone that Samsung released last year. According to Bluetooth certification, both model number and the official name of this phone is confirmed. As you can see, Galaxy A82 5G. Whenever we see Bluetooth certification for a certain device, it usually means that the launch is very near. Apart from that, there's been a benchmark leak that shows the internal processor of Galaxy A82. Apparently, it's gonna rock a flagship grade Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chip. If you guys remember, the original Galaxy A80 actually rocked a Snapdragon 730 chip, so this is definitely a big move. Of course, with this chip, Samsung will be pairing up a 5G modem, so it will be coming with 5G speeds. According to ET News, in South Korea, this phone will be released as Samsung Galaxy Quantum 2. For South Korea only, Samsung will be placing a quantum chip inside the Galaxy A82 for that absolute insane level of encryption. The quantum chip will provide stronger encryption for user data by generating quantum-based random numbers. Samsung will be developing this special quantum version of Galaxy A82, again only for South Korea. The reported early numbers of the units are somewhere between 700,000 to 800,000. Now, like I said, this is Samsung's experiment phone. They're not looking to sell a lot of these devices. It's purely a demonstration of their crazy ideas. Now, we haven't seen the actual design leak of the Galaxy A82, but the closest thing we have is the official Samsung patent that came out a couple of weeks ago. So instead of the pop-up rotating camera mechanism of the original Galaxy A80, the A82 could rock a sliding display that can pop down to reveal the cameras and pop up to reveal the speakers. If this is implemented on the Galaxy A82, then it's definitely going to be one of the absolute craziest smartphone design of 2021. Now, the launch of this phone will happen soon, probably next month. This month, Samsung is completely focusing on Galaxy A72 and the A52. The awesome event is happening on March 17th. We've already talked about the official specs a couple of days ago. There's been numerous hands-on images and videos of A52 online. Apparently, some online store is already selling Galaxy A52. We even have an ASMR unboxing of the A72. Not just that, the guy completely tested out the gaming performance of the 5G model, confirming all the things like the 120Hz refresh rate and getting all the accessories like charger and headphones out of the box. If you want to watch the full video, I will leave the link in the description. Now, one thing that I haven't discussed in my previous Galaxy A52 and A72 leak video is the pricing. We now have the new pricing info leak. So according to this new info, the Galaxy A52 could start at $370, whereas the A72 could start at $480. Again, this is for LTE models only. For 5G models, they obviously will cost a bit more. Samsung might not be launching the 5G variants of A52 and A72 in India. Very likely those models will be targeted in US market and Samsung's own home market, South Korea. Samsung has done some amazing stuff, but they're gonna face some absolute crazy competition from Xiaomi and Realme. I'll be doing some exclusive comparisons pretty soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel with bell notifications on. That's all for today. Happy Sunday, happy weekend. Hope you guys are having a great day. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.